In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an AI tool that can convert text to image completely free of charge, and it can give you wonderful and amazing images. So this tool is Google AI Studio. You just need to log in and access it on this website. And once you're here, you can come down to native image generation. So you can click and then you can show me a picture of a majestic horse running on the beach. You can ask this or you can ask something direct. So let's say we ask this. Okay, I will generate the image of a powerful muscular black horse with a flowing mane and tail. So it is going to take some time, and take a look at what it has brought. Very, very powerful and fantastic. Okay, I kind of like this. So let's say we want another one. Can you give me the image of a lion fighting with a cat using war gadgets? Okay, so let's see the precision in this. So you can see I'll create some whimsical image showing a large, determined looking lion wearing, and you can see they are really, really up for a fight. And this is really, really next level. It has showcased exactly what I'm looking for. They're wearing it all. So you can click the image and wonderfully, you can be able to download it from here. Okay, so you can just click and you'll be able to download it. Take a look at the resolution and clarity of this image. So you can use this to generate any image of your choice, and you'll be wowed at what it is going to create for you. So with just that click, you have your image saved. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.